Thank you for watching my video. I'm AYANA. Today, I will make Takikomi gohan. It's very healthy because of including vegetables, and it's so delicious. The seasoning and some umami flavor is soaked in rice. So let's get started. Okay, these are ingredients. You can make Takikomi gohan if you have the pot like this. And first, chicken and mushroom, some mushrooms, shiitake mushroom and shimeji mushrooms and eringi mushrooms. If you use different mushrooms, the umami flavor is increasing. And carrot. I like to put for health and good color 2 bowl of rice. For seasoning, I put mirin, sake, soy sauce, and I use ginger. And finally, I use dashi today. So it's important to increase the flavor. Let's begin. I wipe off the surface of kombu and put here, add the water, Okay, let's cut the ingredients. First, I cut the ginger. Next, I cut the carrot into 3 cm julienne strips. To make Takikomi gohan, it's important to cut the ingredients into small sizes. So for a carrot, I thinly slice and cut the hard bottom of shimeji mushroom here and separate one by one. This is our shiitake mushroom. If you find the trust or something on surface like black one, so you can remove it with this kitchen towels. Here I found black one, so remove here. Okay. And first, cut the stem and cut. I remove this, and you can use it or if you slice, thinly slice. So today this is big one, so I cut the half. So 3 mm slices. Finally, eringi mushroom. So it's long, so I cut eat half, then slice. Or if I eat them so too big, so I cut it in half. Okay, I prepare vegetables and mushroom. Okay, next chicken. So I use half of chicken today. And first, wipe off the water on chicken. It is a smell, so wipe it. And so clean the strings and excess fat. So I cut them. So if you cut these excess fat and strips, it's good texture when you eat. Okay, cut the chicken into small pieces. Like this size is good. After 30 minutes, turn the heat up and simmer on medium heat. Until the water is able to boil. So let it sit until the katsuobushi drops. It's important to step, so sink the rice in water. And put the rice. Add the water to cover enough to cover the rice, and sink it in water. It helps to cook evenly. After that, I drain the water from rice. Okay, let's prepare seasoning. First, I put katsuo dashi in a pot. Add the sake, soy sauce, mirin, a little of salt, and mix it all. Then add the drained rice. Okay, so put the ingredients in a pot. So it's important to the order. So I add the chicken first. So because that's hard to cook. A lot of mushrooms leads to a good flavor for Takikomi gohan, so I love it. Okay, and finally, half of shredded ginger. It increases the flavor, so nice. Okay. After adding the all ingredients, heat on high-medium heat without a lid. Okay, when the water is boiling, mix the rice and ingredients. Okay, after mixing, cover and cook for 12 minutes on low heat. Okay, I finished cooking rice, so transfer from the stove to here. And let it sit for 10 minutes. Okay, I wait for 10 minutes so I can open it. I'm so looking forward to see it. Wow! Looks so nice. Okay, let's stir. So I add the ginger. So it's good color. Okay. Wow. So it's scorched rice, so it's very savory and delicious. So let's serve. So finally add the green onions.それではいただきます。Ginger is good flavor and the seasoning, the taste is so good balanced. And this okoge is nice. So today's Takikomi gohan is very standard in Japan. So I put chicken and carrot and mushrooms. So some of them add another ingredients, but I use katsuo dashi by myself and put 3 types of ingredients. It's enough to has flavor, so I like it. So if you like my video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.